Okay, so you've seen my last 3 back fat videos. And if you watch my most recent one, you know that I recently shared 20 amazing exercises to sculpt and to straighten your back. But I know what you're thinking, Karla, but how do I actually turn these exercises into a real back workout routine? Well, I am glad that you asked. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to put it all together, how to split each exercise, and most importantly, how to adjust it to fit it into your schedule. Because most of us parents, homeschooling parents, we have 20 minutes of exercise that we can do a day. So you want precise how you can fit it into your schedule.
We come alive in the nighttime. There's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Karla Cook here. And if you have been following my back series, then you know that we have been working really hard on strengthening, shaping, and defining our backs. But today I am taking it one step further because I know that so many of you have been asking this question. Karla, how do I actually turn these exercises into a real back routine? Well, guess what? That is exactly what we're doing today. First of all, let me start off by saying that building a strong, beautiful, sculpted back takes consistency, it takes discipline, it takes a commitment of your part, but it is the most rewarding part of your fitness journey. Especially as moms, when you are juggling a million things, carving out to train your body, it is powerful. It is self-love in motion. So here is how I recommend building your back routine using the last 20 back exercises from my last video. And if you haven't seen that one yet, I'll link it right up here, or it's gonna show up here. So you can break it into 3 main categories. First, upper back focus. Movements like bent over rows, reverse flies. You can do dumbbell shrugs. You can do the rear delt row and the upright rows. Here we're mainly targeting the upper back with the rear delts and traps. Category 2. Mid back and lats. Exercises like pendlay row, reverse barbell rows, cable one arm rows, close grip lat pull downs, kettlebell alternating rows, T-bar rows, plank rows. All of this you are targeting your mid back and lats. Number 3, lower back and posterior chain. Things like good mornings, straight leg deadlifts, which is also known as Romanian deadlifts. You can definitely tweak the reps depending on the intensity you want. You can pick 3 on each of the categories. Just remember, quality over quantity. If you are a beginner, I recommend you pick 2 exercises from each category. For example, do 3 sets of 12 through 15 reps for each one. And you can rest for 45 seconds between sets. Now that's a solid back workout. Part 3, weekly frequency. You can train your back 2 times a week. If you're combining it with other workouts, pair it with glutes or biceps. They complement each other beautifully. Part 4, mindset moment. Now I have to say this. Don't just move through the exercises. Connect with your body. Feel your muscles activate. Feel your strength building. This is your time. You've waited long enough. You birthed your children. You love your children, but now they need a strong mom. As women and moms, we carry so much. But every rep, every drop of sweat, every moment you choose to show up, it's all building you into that strong woman that God called you to be. So when you finish your workout, I want you to stand tall, look at yourself in the mirror, and remind yourself, I am strong, I am consistent, I am becoming my best self, I am the daughter of the Most High God. And if He is for me, who can be against me? And the strength comes from Him, and you are whole in Him. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you like it, and you can also comment down below what is your favorite back exercise. And don't forget to subscribe because we are just getting started. And I am so excited for what's coming next. Let's keep building, let's keep shining, and remember that we are energy and we are unstoppable. I will see you on my next one. Bye.